Welcome back to another video. So I am going to be deleting the MAF on this thing. I was talking to my tuner and he suggested deleting that. So I'm going to pull this all off, pull it apart, and I'm going to have to weld a new extension onto the stainless piece here. And I'll clean it up quite a bit, make it look a little better. And I don't have a whole lot of clearance right here. I actually had to kind of mess with this pipe. As you can see, it's coming in at an angle, so I could probably straighten that out quite a bit too. So I'm going to get all this ripped off, get a measurement, and get a piece cut on there and tacked in place, and I'll show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm going to need about 4 inches here to connect that. I'm actually going to put just a little bit of an angle on one of the cuts so I can get this more kind of straightened out in there. And look at all that clearance. So I can mess with this intercooler pipe and get it more straightened out like it should be. So I'm going to get this piece cut up and tacked in there. Alright, got that thing all tacked up. Let's get it welded up. Alright, intake's all welded up. I got a mount here. Yeah, that's zip tied on there. Just enough so I can get a tack on it. Kind of hard to hold it in place. And use 2 hands on the welder, so there's a little bracket I built, so I'm gonna weld that on, drill a hole in it, and bolt it right to the body, and that thing should be good to go. Alright guys, there it is. So I actually tacked down a bolt because it's pretty close on the filter. I'm not going to really get a wrench up in there in between the filters, so that'll just stick through and put that nut on the back side. So let's get this thing on. Alright guys, got that all finished up, mounted up, and actually straightened that intercooler pipe out. We still got quite a bit of clearance, so it definitely looks a lot cleaner without that MAF in there. Makes it a little more simplified, and that mount worked out pretty good. So that's all finished up.